On the 12th of June 2024, the Teaching English to Speakers of Other Languages Tesol Department of Sankardev College Shillong, in collaboration with the English Language Teachers Association of India ELTAI Shillong Chapter and the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyaan State Education Mission Authority of Meghalaya, had organized the India Reads movement at the Directorate of Educational Research and Training Office in Shillong. Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma attended as the chief guest, alongside the advisor to the Education Department, Government of Meghalaya, Hima M. Shangplyang, the Vice Chancellor of Martin Luther Christian University, Shillong, Dr. T.K. Baman, and Principal of Sankardev College, Eureka F.P. Lingdo, besides others.
I worked in the Cambodia India Center for English Language Training at Phnom Penh, Cambodia. And this book saw the light of day when the Ambassador of India, Alok Nath, called me to his chamber one day and he said, "Man, you have to train the soldiers in the Peace Corps." And I tried to do that. The university where I was working then, the English and Foreign Languages University, where I had been working for 30 years, had equipped me with 2 cartons of books. I went there prepared, but into the classroom I found that none of these books would help my Cambodian colleagues, my Cambodian students, my Cambodian soldiers, because they did not understand English at all. So I had to design my own materials to meet the requirements and the needs of the Peace Corps personnel. And so this was an endeavor. I had shelved it for a long time, but I thought that communication is very, very important because we take this often for granted. And so I thought to myself, why not bring out maybe a simple book which can benefit not only the students, but all of us. Because there are times when we fumble as to how we can talk, how can we respond to things like on greetings. I'll share an experience with you. When I landed at the airport in Cambodia, it was an embarrassment because I did not share the culture and I did not know how to greet the Cambodian officials. So it was quite an eye-opener for me that greetings are linked to culture, and therefore I thought it is important for our children, and as Dr. Elango had said, that it's important for our children to groom themselves, to know.
To India Reads movement, the movement to make everybody to read, the practice. But what to read is also my initial question. And what comes first, read or write? It will be difficult for us to answer. Yes, we want to read, but what to read? It's a question for us. And today, I'd like to congratulate and thanks, proud to mention Professor T.K. Baman for contributing the asset to read for us. I believe the challenge for every authors, intellectuals, to contribute to the knowledge of the world by contributing your intellectuals, which will be the global asset to the generation to come. And I also invite all scholars and the students, let us read to write. Let us also write to make people read. But it will be incorrect on my part to say, just to encourage everybody to read. No. Not for us. We will give something people to read. Therefore, it's my invite everybody. I respect the distinguished scholars and the intellectuals individualism